Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. We are starting from level 1 near the main entrance from the Las Vegas Strip. This is where you'll find the location of the BetMGM Sportsbook and Lounge. This space offers state-of-the-art LED video walls, dozens of TV screens, and 23 video poker machines, plus shuffleboard and pool tables and lounge chair seating. Hey, pretty cool, Cosmo. There is also a Starbucks nearby. The Cosmopolitan opened on December 15th, 2010. The casino floor measures up at over 100,000 square feet and contains over 1,300 slot and gaming machines with 119 tables. At the center of the casino floor is the Chandelier Bar, a multi-story visual wonder housing 3 unique lounge experiences. We'll see more of the Chandelier Bar on level 2. Located on the south side of the casino floor is the Identity Membership Rewards Desk. Get your player's card here. And continuing along, there is the High Limit Slot Lounge. And then Click Bar and Lounge, where you can experience tableside mixology with seasonal cocktails featuring fresh juices and garnishes.
Your love gets me high. Your love gets me high. Your love gets me high. Yeah, your love.
As we approach the hotel registration area, here is the Cosmo Lobby Bar, Vesper. This lounge offers cocktails mixed with style and grace, served in a contemporary setting. The stunning hotel registration area features 8 15-foot digital art columns. This art installation combines architecture, contemporary art, and technology to create an unexpected and dynamic experience. Now coming back around along the north side of the casino floor, here is Vabine Cafe, offering fresh baked pastries, espresso drinks, and coffee. And then next, the area for the high limit table games. And then next there is the cashier's cage and an essential shop. Also on the north side of the casino floor, there is another exit that leads out to the Bellagio fountain and the walkway to Bellagio. It's along here you will find the barbershop cuts and cocktails. There is a hideaway speakeasy located behind the barbershop. Across from the barbershop is the Henry, a stylish upscale space that offers brunch and late night dining. And now level 2 of the Cosmopolitan, Las Vegas. On the second floor of Cosmo, you'll find retail shops and a variety of dining options, including the top section to the chandelier bar. Momofuku is an American Asian restaurant established by chef and founder David Chang. Milk Bar puts a playful spin on familiar home-style desserts and savory snacks. And next is Egg Slut, offering gourmet egg sandwiches, a very popular and busy grab-and-go breakfast option. Holstein's offers deliciously crafted burgers and a wide selection of craft and draft beers. There is also the entrance to Marquee Nightclub, a trendy happening club with global DJs, high-tech effects, multiple dance floors, and a pool deck. And here is China Poblano. Here you can experience Chef Jose Andres' inventive mix of Chinese and Mexican cuisines, plus fun drinks. And here is Block 16 Urban Food Hall. Here you can sample a huge range of global flavors from separate stalls, including District Donuts, Sliders and Brew, Haiti B's Chicken, Lardo Sandwiches, Tika Bar Handro Sake, and Bang Bar by Momofuku. From there is a long hallway that leads to the Wicked Spoon Buffet and the Ski Lodge and Super Frico restaurants. And you may have noticed the Art-O-Mat machines located around the Cosmopolitan. The Art-O-Mat machines are reconditioned cigarette machines that now dispense art and jewelry designed by local artists. They are dispensed in cigarette-sized boxes for the price of $5. Exact change is required. And now up to level 3 for more dining options and the undisclosed location of Secret Pizza. Located on the 3rd floor of Cosmo, here is STK Steakhouse, a hip, lively restaurant and lounge serving steaks in a dark, ultra-modern setting. LPM Restaurant and Bar is a vibrant and bright Mediterranean restaurant. Jaleo is an award-winning restaurant from celebrity chef Jose Andres that offers the authentic flavors of Spanish cuisine. There is also Zuma, an award-winning contemporary Japanese restaurant. Beauty in Essex is a sophisticated jewel-toned spot with vintage decor offering new American plates, drinks, and wine. Red Plate offers Chinese fine dining with creative cocktails in a stylish, intimate setting. And at Scarpetta, handmade pastas headline a sophisticated Italian menu. And here is Blue Ribbon Brasserie. Its American cuisine menu is heavily inspired by the original Soho location in New York. And it's very easy to miss, but if you look very closely next to Blue Ribbon, you'll find the secret entrance to Secret Pizza. Once you find the location to Secret Pizza, you'll be glad you did, because not only is it one of the best cheap eats in Las Vegas, it's simply some of the best pizza you've ever tasted. Ever. Secret Pizza is open every day from 11 a.m. until 4 a.m. And sometimes the line can be quite long, especially in the evening. Secret Pizza offers whole pies, slices, salads, soft drinks, beer, and wine. I tried a slice of the meatball pizza and it was so fresh and tasty and delicious. It was a truly great lunch. One I'll always remember. Thank you for watching. You can show support by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Tap that center icon now to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.